Well, I'm here with Jack Farmer, newly installed pitch performance manager at Nottingham Forest. That's an unusual title.
Yep, it's we sort of reimagined the pitch department at Nottingham Forest. It's a new outlook, fresh outlook, trying to be a bit more player performance based, data, very innovative approach.
So you now actually are part of the player performance department, is that correct?
That's correct. So yeah, we've been moved very much under a different banner. So before, I always make the joke when Forest got promoted, we were sort of at the bottom waving off the rocket that was going to the moon. But now we've got a very ambitious line manager and he's moved us across, giving us backing, giving us the opportunity to put our own stamp on things.
Does that give you a feeling that you, as a profession now, you're being taken a bit more serious?
100%. I think we're already, like you did earlier, we're already looking at the unique title, and it's given a fresh approach to the industry, which I think everybody agrees it probably needs. Get away from the old stereotype. It's not just an old guy with a fork that sits in a shed all day. We very much have an impact on player performance.
Jack, we've seen some very interesting presentations today, one of which is Raw Stadia, and I think you're working quite closely with Reece there, yeah?
Yeah, so Reece has been in the last few months with us as a sort of a consultancy role with us, helping us along. And yeah, so everything his platform offers us is great. So we're putting it across to the player performance side every day. Every bit of testing we're doing, they can see on the platform. Lets the players sort of see, different kind of boot choices that they should be wearing, they could be wearing, just trying to get that every little last bit of their performance.
So you're now, because of that data being taken seriously, but equally, I guess it takes away that kind of fear factor. Somebody gets an injury and they're not looking to you why it happened, because you can back up what's going on.
That's exactly that. We're obviously trying to work with them. It's not 100% a defence mechanism, but every bit of data we give them, it does cover that grey area. If there's an injury, it's not always the groundsman's fault. It could be, like I say, down to a stud choice, down to the type of surface that they're playing on. It's all about educating and giving them the information that we've already got.
Jack, we're going to follow this one with real interest because it's a real move forward, I think, in the industry and for the professionalism of the industry. So good luck with that one.
No, thank you very much. Appreciate it.